LPS Lovers, it's LPS Cassandra here, and today I have a squishy package. Let me just, okay, so, here it is. The information is right here. So I'm so excited, and yeah, I'll just hold you guys somehow. Actually, I'm just gonna, so now let's open it, and I got this from www.quietcafe.com. So lovely. Well, so okay, so I think piece of paper. So I think this is the invoice, probably. Okay, it's the invoice. So this is what I got. So I got an only sweet cafe donut, or like a mini advent donut, and a mini pan bun. Oh, and this was $25. And a mini panda bun that was $60, and it says extras are included, and it says www.quietcafe.com, and also says thank you for ordering my face part and no refunds. So okay, no refunds at all. Okay. So guys, I'll just show you what I got. So these are the extras. Really nice. Okay, to give you some extras. And now, I got a jumbo panda bun. Might as well use the plastic band. Well, sorry. Let's have to do it another day. Sorry. So sorry. What? Fine. Sorry guys, let me just go in my room. I'm gonna go in my room. Okay. So anyways, so I got this jumbo panda bun. I ordered the mini panda bun, but I think this is just an extra. Then, so here, I think this is an extra. What is this? I got this thing, this donut. It says it's an only sweet cafe donut. It's not, like, it's not even an eye bloom. It's not even eye bloom. Like, and there's also no refunds. I hate this. Okay, that was the worst squishy package ever. And guys, this was a spoof, and this is also a collaboration with YouTube Lover Forever. So yeah guys, bye!